Alright guys, hey, it's Stan, welcome back to the BulbaSquad. So today, I've been getting some requests to make a video over the scams that are happening in the hobby because now it's been a few booster boxes that have been revealed. I'm not going to do that. There's plenty of people that are going to do that. If you guys really want it, just I ask leave a like on the video and some comments asking for it. If you guys really want it, I'll watch the likes and comments, see what you guys think. If there's enough demand, I'll do it anyway, just because it's what you guys want. Instead, I'm coming to you guys with an opportunity. So I'm personally not going to take very much advantage of this opportunity because it's just out of my price range. So, as you guys know, I'm kind of a lower income college student, so I don't have that much money to tie up. I can afford to tie up money into a $500 booster case or however many because I'll save. Not to mention, it's a lot easier for me to tie up $500 in 6 items than it is for me to tie up $500 in 1 item. So that's just how it is for me. I just can't quite afford to have that much money tied up into 1 item. And that's the only reason I'm not doing it. Otherwise, I would absolutely be doing this. But the idea is we are now in a place where there is record amount of money in Pokemon, record amount of demand, record amount of scams. We all know this. People all over the place are joining the hobby, not knowing what they're doing, and are getting scammed. People are buying fake cards on accident. People are buying resealed booster packs, yada yada. So that brings me to my point. I thought that perhaps this would matter one day, but I initially made this investment when I was still kind of fresh to the game. These were a lot cheaper when I bought these. So I purchased I purchased a complete set of base set unlimited booster packs. Right, all PSA 10. I got them for really cheap when I got them. These right now, I have no idea how much they go for because the prices are so all over the place. Minimum, they are $3,000. On the high end, they could be somewhere around $6,500. Just throwing those two numbers out there. But minimum, I know these things are $3,000. A pack is about $900. So you're looking at about 11%. Yeah, give or take 11, 12% more than a regular booster pack for Gem Mint 10s. I personally think that's horribly undervalued. Yes, I see a lot of arguments against these packs because look at how they fold them. For those of you that can't really see too well, these things are folded back, the edges. A lot of people don't like that. They think it ruins the pack art. Well, I now see it as a chance to capitalize on scams. So, when we look at it, let's say you're, in the future, these packs, unlimited, it's almost certain they're going to easily break like $2,000 one day. So long as the market stays up, it'll be like, I don't know if it'll be a year. At this rate, I don't know if it'll be next week. But they're going to just keep going up. And even at the price point they're at now, a lot of people don't feel comfortable dropping $900 on one booster pack. If you want a Charizard art, you might be dropping $1,500 just for the raw pack. It's absurd. So I believe eventually it's going to get to the point where so many people are unsure with their purchases on these loose packs that they may be more willing to actually go out, pay like the 10, 11% premium on these to purchase them and get your guarantee that it's authentic. Because if you get these, they're not fake. These are really difficult to fake. If you look at these, there's so many extra things to them. I reasonably cannot see how these would get resealed very well. Like PSA slabs, even though you can technically crack them and then reseal them and hide it mediocrely, not these. These are so much harder to replicate. I believe 10% more than a sealed pack is horribly undervalued. I think it's egregiously undervalued. Because eventually it's just going to get to the point where they're going to be so expensive, you're not going to feel comfortable purchasing just the raw pack. You're going to be second guessing yourself. How much feedback does this buyer have? Is he legit? How certain am I that this buyer is actually safe? And the other thing I wanted to say. So for those of you that do not know, the way the grades on these packs work is essentially how Mint, is the pack wrapping. If there's any form of blemish on the pack, it drops the grades. No centering, nothing like that. Now the reason that matters with these packs is that if there's no form of damage on these packs and it gets a Gem Mint 10, it's essentially saying there is absolutely no reason that any of these packs should, like any of the cards that come out of these packs, should be damaged. There should be no creases, there should be no pin pricks, no scratches, nothing. They should be flawless. Only issues that would come with them: centering, print lines. It would have to be factory side errors. So that's the other thing. Eventually, let's say, like, in theory, these packs go to $2,000 and you could buy Gem Mint 10 for $2,500. By the time that happens, you could cough up the extra $500. Not only guarantee yourself a legit pack, but you could also guarantee yourself a pack that wasn't sitting in someone's basement with like 60% humidity at like 100 degrees. Like, they're not going to be that damaged. They're going to be fine. You will basically have booster box fresh packs. In some cases, even better than booster box. And for that reason, I just see these as, it's a no-brainer. Yeah, a lot of people don't like the way PSA treats them, but when I look at it, I'm not looking at it as their art pieces. Yeah, sooner or later, PSA may improve the way they pack them up and make them better art pieces. But as it stands, it just looks like the smart way to purchase booster packs that you want to crack. For whatever reason, for investing, for flipping, for just nostalgia's sake, you want to crack them open, I don't care. But it just looks like the safe way to keep them. It's such a good way. I've even compensated cracking open my blister pack to send it into grade. But I just haven't done that yet. So I just want to tell you guys, yeah, if you guys buy loose booster packs, sure, go ahead and try to grade them. It'll probably be a decent idea. But if you're on the fence of buying booster packs as they are now, just cough up like the extra 10, 12%. In my opinion, it is worth it to cough up that extra premium to get the Gem Mint 10s, because I bought them as 10s. Because later on, yeah, these packs are just going to keep getting older and more damaged. In my opinion, it's a little harder to keep packs fresh and Gem Mint than it is to have cards. For cards, you can at least stick them inside of penny sleeves, top loaders, your card saver ones. For loose booster packs, the best methods I know of are like stick them next to a card saver one inside of one of those sleeves, kind of like CNG Emporium does, or store them somewhere safe. But it's like even the slightest bend on the edges just knocks you down. That's why it's so difficult to get them. So that was my essentially proposition I wanted to give you guys. Like, yeah, this is an opportunity I see in the market. Scams are just going to keep going up. The more money in a market, the more scammers there will be looking for easy money. So sooner or later, as packs start getting more and more expensive, people are going to start becoming more and more skeptical, and people will stop turning their nose up at at these graded packs because they look ugly or whatever, and realize it's how you can purchase a legit pack with the quality of cards you're looking for. If you decide you're okay just getting a legit booster pack, you could purchase a PSA 8 or 9 or a 7. Oh, you could purchase a PSA 1 if you wanted to. That you just want a legit pack. But if you want to try and purchase to try and rip open to get that Gem Mint card, whatever, this would be the way to go. You just purchase the Gem Mint PSA 10 booster pack. So that was my idea. I hope leave your thoughts down below in the comments. Do you think this is a good opportunity? You're going to take advantage of it? Do you guys think that maybe I'm over exaggerating how good of an opportunity I believe it is? Or is this just a quiet piece of the market that has yet to really get that much attention? So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time.